Hello, my name is SARHAN Kumar and I'm from RY40. So today we're going to do a lab for signal and system, that is Laplace transform. First of all, laboratory outcomes. Ability to perform Laplace and inverse Laplace transform. As for second, ability to describe the concept of zeros and poles of the LTI object system. Third, ability to determine the transfer function, representation of the system, and plot the function of the plots and zeros on S domain. Okay, let's go for the question exercises. Okay, first of all, obtain the Laplace transform and inverse Laplace transform for the following equation transfer function. As for A, B, and C, is it in T domain, so we use Laplace transform to change it to S domain. As for D, E, F, it is in S domain, so we use inverse transform to change it to T domain. So we're going to do it in MATLAB. Okay, let's go to that. So this is the first question. Run it. Okay, CLC is to clear out the comment window. Define T domain, system T, enter the function. For the pretty FS, it is to visualize the result. So this is the result for 1A. Continuous transfer function. This is the 0 poles. You can get the answer here. This is the answer. Okay. Okay, as for question 2, clear CLC to clear out the domain. System T, define T, the function, Laplace, and pretty FS to define and visualize the answer. This is the answer for 1B. This stands for 1B. And this is the answer for 1C. Same as the others. Same as A, B, clear CLC, define T, the function, Laplace FT, pretty F. So this is the answer here. Okay. As for DEF, there are some changes. It is similar but with some changes. We should change the definition to S. Just now is T, so now is S. So we should put I Laplace. Just now it is just Laplace. As for D, it is I Laplace, and same as just now pretty FT. So we can get the answer. Okay, this is the answer. As for 1E, clear CLC, define S, I Laplace, the function, pretty FT. So you can get the answer. This is 1F. There are some changes. Only need to change the definition and also the Laplace, I Laplace. Okay. Now question 2. As for question 2, Express the transfer function below to obtain the value for partial fraction expansion in MATLAB. Okay, these are the functions given. For question 2a, so clear and CLC to clear out the domain. So we need to list out the numerator and denominator. This is the numerator, the denominator. Okay. After that, we need to use the transfer function and mention a and b, the numerator and denominator. As for residue, it is to list out the zeros and poles of the function. ZPK is to show the expansion of the function. Okay. To run. Okay. Then now you can see the numerator, denominator, the continuous time transfer, 0 poles, and this is definition, the expansion. Continuous time 0 pole gain model. Same goes to the other questions. Same goes to 2b and 2c. Clear CLC, numerator, denominator, transfer, AB, residue, ZPK. You can see the answer here. Okay, for 2C, same as just now. Numerator, denominator, transfer, residue, and ZPK. Yeah, here it goes. That's all for question 2. Okay, now we go for question 3. Question 3 is obtain the poles and zeros of the following transfer function and plot the system using poles and zeros. Zero plot and plot the system magnitude response using MATLAB comments. Okay, these are the transfer functions. Now we go for question. Now we go for question 3. Okay, CLC and clear. List out the numerator, denominator. After that, we use the transfer function and mention the numerator and denominator. Now you can see but plot, IOP plot to identify the plot and magnitude response. Okay. So you will get the diagram. Okay. Okay, the circles are under the 0. There are 3 circles, and the cross are under the poles. Okay, this is the board diagram for 3A. Okay. The result for 3A. Numerator, denominator, continuous time function, the poles, 0 poles. Yeah. The final expansion. So for 3B, clear CLC to clear out the domain, numerator, denominator, transfer, residue. Okay. I plot, figure, bot plot for the system. Okay. 2 diagrams here. One is plot diagram and one is pole diagram. The cross you can see in 0 is the plot diagram. As for the result, this is it. For 3C, these are the diagrams for 3C. As you can see the circles and also the cross for 0 and plot diagram here. So the result is here. Okay. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching.